It's Dave Lee with your Week 11 legislative snapshot for Maui. Because of the way things are happening at this time in the legislative session, we are not going to divide things by House and Senate anymore. It will be by committees and by floor debate going forward. In the House Elementary and Secondary Education Committee, they heard two bills, 3532 by Pollitt and 3483 by Prouty, that dealt with civics education. It's a very narrow bill dealing only with creating a video that shows how the Missouri legislative process works to make a bill become a law. We changed our position from watch to leaning support. It also voted out House Bill 2722 by Douglas, which is getting a liaison to support unhoused college students and in their endeavors in colleges, and we support that as well. In the Senate this week, the Education Committee heard Senate Bill 1757, Shields' bill that evaluates all Missouri students for giftedness. We support that bill as inclusive. House Bill 2404, Haruz's bill to lift deed restrictions for charter schools so they can buy public school properties. We oppose that bill, and we sent an email to the committee stating our positions on those two bills, but we're on the record in the House. House Bill 2335 by Kelly, the teacher training video bill, is one that we're still monitoring for amendments. The committee also voted out Senate Bill 1558, Henderson's bill to protect private schools from lawsuit if they gender their bathrooms. We oppose this bill because it's not necessary. They're already protected, and also bathrooms should be for everybody. And House Bill 2710 deals A to F accountability bill, which we are not alone in our opposition on and have been on the record now in both the House and the Senate on those bills. The Economic and Workforce Development Committee met and heard HJR 173, Davidson's bill resolution to eliminate the Missouri income tax. We oppose that. This resolution would put it before the Missouri people on the ballot, but we still think that we should just save all that trouble and just oppose it now because it's going to just replace income tax with sales tax. In the two chambers, there was a lot of debate this week, and some of it went really long, but very few things that we're monitoring were actually debated. In the House, they did debate House Bill 3005 by Justice, which encompasses the reconsideration for the relocation of library materials, and this bill is supported by the librarians and by one of the representatives who is also a librarian, and so we have been monitoring that bill, and if it stays in this status, we can support it when it gets to the Senate, if it makes it there. It will probably be voted over next week. They voted over to the Senate House Bill 2230, Burns' bill limiting screen time for kids. We're still watching that bill to ensure that everybody, including ELL students, are included if they do need extra phone time a little bit. In the Senate, they voted over to the House, Senate Bill 1002 by Schnelting, which moves Board of Education elections to November. And that was a statewide bill. Looking ahead to week 12, not a lot of committees have put their agenda out. The House Higher Education Workforce Development, HEWD Committee, will hear House Bill 3321 by Castile, which would seek to defund low earning degrees with state money. We disagree with this because everyone should get to be able to get the degree they want, and also some low earning degrees may appear low earning at first, but they lead to more lucrative degrees down the road. The Senate doesn't have anything scheduled for committee yet. The floor possibilities are hard to predict at this time of year, but in the House, there's a parents' rights bill by Keithley and the mission governance bill that are on the calendar that could come up at any time. And the Senate will likely be hearing a lot of budget bills next week. If you are not receiving our weekly updates through email, please sign up at MissouriEquity.com to do so. And we do rely on support through your donations. And our 26 for 26 campaign is still ongoing, and you may donate by going to the same website and clicking the donation button. As always, we thank you for your partnership. And as we said last year, and we're going to say this year, rest, focus, and hydrate. Have a great week.